Hello, thank you for joining me. I am DeAnna Troupe, and this is the DeAnna Troupe Show. In today's episode, it is Tuesday, which means it's time for a tutorial. So in today's tutorial, I will be showing you how I make thumbnails using a free software. If you like these types of videos, please make sure that you remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You subscribe by hitting that subscribe button down below. So without further ado, let's get right into today's content. So when you're making images, one of the very first things you need to know is what size the image needs to be. So we're going to go to our friend Google and type in YouTube thumbnail size. Enter. And we see that the size for the YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixels. So we're going to go here to Paint. But we're going to close the last thing I was doing here. Because we're technically starting from scratch. So the first thing I'm going to do is hit Image. Okay, so hit New. And then we want to tell it what width we want it to be. So we remember we went here and the width was 1280 by 720 pixels. And we're going to put 1280 by 720 and make the resolution 300 pixels an inch. Okay. Okay, that wasn't right. Image, resize. Oh, that's because I hit a 1 instead of a 7. So we're going to do 720. That's 1280 with height 720, resolution 300. Hit OK. All right, there we go. That's what we want to see. Now we're going to hit Edit and select all because we want to make our background transparent. Now that we've done that, we're going to pick a color for the background. I'm going to try this color here for the background. And so we want to fill it with that color there. I mean, you can make this background as fancy as you want it. I'm just doing just something basic so you can get the idea of how things go. So next, you're going to want to put whatever image you want in there. So I usually just use a picture of myself so that people, when they come to because I don't know where they're going to be finding my video from. They could even be finding it from search. So they may not know who I am. So I want people to know who they're seeing. So I'm going to open up my file with my image on it, which I always like to use the one with my book. And now I'm going to click on the image here. That is my book. And hit Select All. And then hit Copy. And paste it. Well, first, before I paste it, I'm going to add a new layer. And now I'm pasting it into the new layer. And I'm just going to move this down here. And then once I do that, I'm going to be adding my text. So you add another layer for the text. And then put the type, change the color here to white. And I have my font as Kimmy Retro. And so I'm just going to make the title, How to Make a Thumbnail. And then we're going to make sure we save it. Again, and make sure that we change the type to PNG. And put How to Make a Thumbnail. And hit Save. Flatten it. Always flatten when you save it. And voila, you have just made a thumbnail for your awesome YouTube video. So there is, now keep in mind, when you are making your videos, it's a great idea to create templates for your thumbnail so you don't have to go through this process every time you make a thumbnail. Ideally, you'll want to just have your base without your text so that all you have to do is just change the title. So that's today's tutorial. We just gone over how to make a thumbnail using paint.net. My name is DeAnna Troupe. Thank you for watching my channel. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And also live while you hustle. Thank you, and see you next video.